Today we're gonna do a little bit of continuance on the 69 RT Charger. So if you look over here, you're gonna see I already put in the K-member. Super, here it is right here, super easy to do, guys. It's literally 4 bolts. One here, one there, one on each side. Super easy. Later on, I'll put this brace up, you know, up in here. As you can probably see here, got the parts laid out. We got the control arms. I already pressed the bushings in. Next time we do something like this, I'll go through you guys on how to do that on the Mopars. You do need a couple of special tools for that, but we've got all the ball joints, everything pressed in. On the rear, I've got everything laid out also. Again, I'm gonna show you guys that, how to get it on there by yourselves and you know, in your garage.